Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to do a quick unboxing and review of the Nillkin CamShield Pro Case. Now this case is for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which we have here, and if you're interested in this case, we will leave links for you. You can pick this up off of Amazon for $15.99. Now, after doing some surfing on Amazon, I saw this case, and there's a couple of things that I saw in it that really caught my attention. And so I wanted to pick it up and share it with you guys. So with that said, let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Okay, first of all, we got the case here. And it looks like there's nothing else extra in here. Just had that plastic drop off the top. So we're going to set that over to the side. So there's not even any instructions in there. But nevertheless, we're going to go ahead and review it. And so I guess you really don't need any kind of instruction because this is a one-piece case. And it feels like this is made of kind of a rubber. Feels really durable and strong. And it feels a whole lot durable than that Samsung case I reviewed recently for the Galaxy Fold. And so what caught my attention about this case is the design here. This is kind of diagonal design, and this is etched in there pretty good. So this is definitely, you can definitely get a good grip on that. But the main thing that caught my attention here is the camera cutout here. There's a panel that slides back and forth here, which is a very good idea. See how that works? You can slide it that way to cover the camera, to protect it from anything you might bump it up against. And when you want to use it, you just slide the little door open. So I think that is a cool idea. And as you can see, it's raised a bit because the camera bump on the Note 20 is pretty big. And so it should sit down in there. We're going to see how it looks here in a minute or two when we put the phone inside the case. But as you can see, again, the case has this nice, rigid, ribbed feel here. Like I said, it's kind of a diagonal design. Feels real good to the hand. And if you look at the bottom of it, you see we got your cutouts here. Your mic cutout, power cord cutout, the USB-C, your speaker grill, and for your S Pen. And if you look at it this way, you see we have a little branding here by Nillkin. And if you see also, they have some grooves cut in here. And that's a very good idea too. Grooves cut in, and I think they're on both sides here. And so looking at the opposite side, we see we have our buttons here, the volume up and down, and our power button. And again, we have those ridges cut in there. So that is pretty good as far as grip. This is a very durable material. Feels kind of like a rubber. So this is a very, very nice looking case. So tell you what, we're going to drop our phone in there real quick and see how it looks with the phone inside the case. So of course, as you know, this is a one-piece case. And so that went in there very easily. I think it looks pretty good. This is kind of a slim case too. So it's a very nice looking case. And jumping back to the camera, as you can see, the camera module sits down in there, and you can just slide that door over it, and that will protect it from any kind of impact that you can make on that. Now, I didn't even bring up too, it's got enough room in there, because some additional room really, because I have a glass screen protector on my camera there to protect it anyway. And I'll leave a link down in this description area too, to take a look at, the possibility of using a glass screen protector for your camera. But even with the glass screen protector, there's enough room for this panel to slide over, and it clicks into place, as you can hear, or to slide it over when you're ready to take photo shots. And so that looks pretty good, like I said, and it feels good in the hand. The grip is excellent, I must say. Very nice grip. Again, at the top, you see your cutouts for mic at the top, and back at the bottom, mic again, and the power port for your USB-C, your speaker grill, and your S Pen. And if you look at it closely, just like that too, you see it's a little bit of a hump at the ends of the phone, the top and the bottom. And that comes into play really well if your phone was to fall this way. And you can even kind of tell with that color wallpaper, you can even see it bleeding out onto the table. So it's a little bit of room that it gives it, so the glass is not automatically sitting against the surface. So overall, this is an excellent case. It's a great buy at $15.99. So that's about it for our video for today. We did a quick unboxing and review of the Nillkin CamShield Pro Case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.